We are in Penn District in Midtown Manhattan. PureModern supplied the planters for Vornado. We did various shapes. It was a custom design. We did these lozenge planters. We did some round planters. They need to be able to move them for maintenance and cleaning, so we added slots for forks. And we also did the rectangle planters in front of Penn Station. This being a high-profile area, high-profile project, we did a few different mock-up planters. They were able to see them firsthand. Then you're not guessing, you knowing what you're getting. You see the color, you see exactly what you're going to get ahead of time. PureModern, we have a lot of experience working in New York City, and this is just a testament to the type of project we can take on, and really sky's the limit on designs and what we're able to do. And we love the challenge. We love going as custom as possible and like doing something new every time if we can. Development is still ongoing. We do have more planters currently being manufactured. It's an exciting future to be able to partner with Vornado and for New York City to be a part of this to help beautify the city and add planters and more green space to the city.